Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to navigate Audit Fees and SOX module with CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Before we start, let me show you our Screen Navigation tabs feature. It's the horizontal bar on the top of the page. The highlighted tab indicates which one of the three screens you are on. Entering the Audit Fees and SOX module will take you directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections, General Search and Refined General Search. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria. Smart Peers is also available in this module. For a tutorial on using the Smart Peers feature, please visit the video. You can also filter per index, exchange, or SASB sector. Moving to Refined General Search, this section includes auditor, financial metrics, and more. But it's not necessary to input any search criteria to access the reports. Once you have clicked on Go, you'll be navigated to a report list screen window that looks like the one shown here. On the top left of the screen, you can view the report catalog and the number of reports you can explore. Information on the data points covering each report is available by click on the eye icon. You can also edit your search by clicking the Edit Search button located to the right of the search box. Select a report to view by click on its title, and this will then take you to the report screen. When you first open a report, you'll be in the Overview tab. In the Overview tab, if no search criteria were selected, overview information will be provided at an index level. You can also choose to display this data by SASB sector or exchange and compare to any of these groups. To do this, use the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Data points are clickable and will take you to the data view, where you'll be able to see the underlying information of each data point. Source links are also provided in this view. Switch between the Overview and Data View by click on the appropriate tab. You can also sort the data by ascending or descending order, or filter the rows by contains, not contains, equal, among other options. You can also change the data year to check the data from different years. The Select Report Data Point to View drop-down menu allows you to add or remove any data point to or from your report. The Edit Search button will return you to the search screen to modify your selection of companies. Further information about the data points is available by click on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. Finally, the information in this module is available for exporting by click on the orange Export button at the top right of the page. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.